Here we have a 2025. It's a Ford F150 with a 5.0. We just changed up the exhaust a little bit. Did a little different on this one. Ran it out in front of the tires, what we call old school TA style. Some people want to call that the Lightning, but before that it was a Trans Am, a TA style exhaust. So it comes out 3-inch to dual 4-inch tips. Single chamber V2 muffler. It's got all the factory cats and everything on it. Customer just wants a little more rumble out of it. Had a Flowmaster on it, just wasn't quite doing it for him, so this should definitely wake it up, give a little more rumble. Let's see what it sounds like. So that definitely gives a lot more rumble to it. Over the Flowmaster, that's a big difference. So we'll do a little outside shot here.